Yeah, guys, this is Big Papa, and you know it's Jamaican version. So, before we go into playing these videos, remember to like, share, subscribe by clicking that notification bell. So today I'm doing two songs: "House of the Rising Sun" by the Animals and "House of the Rising Sun" by Gregory Isaacs. I bet a lot of you guys didn't know that Gregory Isaac did a version of this song. So here we go with the Animals, House of the Rising Sun.
There is a house in New Orleans. They call the rising sun. And it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. In God, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor. She sewed my new blue jeans. My father was a gambling man down in New Orleans. Now the only thing the gambler needs is a suitcase and a trunk. And the only time he's satisfied is when he's on a drunk.
Yeah, as you can see, this video was, well, the song was attached to this video showing the war, and I think it's a Vietnam War. Yeah, and this song is a kind of sad song, melancholy song, but it's a nice song. And I played this video instead of the one where the singers are just standing and singing because along with this song you can see the futility of war, of fighting. So here we go, just a few more lines.
Oh, mother, tell your children not to do what I have done. Spend your lives in sin and misery in the house of the rising sun.
So that's the Animals House of the Rising Sun. It was, that video was, well, the song was interlaid on that video. And yeah, for the time we are going through now with that war in Europe and what is going on, I honestly, anyhow, let's go into Gregory Isaac's version of House of the Rising Sun. Yeah, so this is Gregory Isaac version of this song done in reggae style.
There is a place in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun.
Shit and trade
It's been
the room
of
many
many a
men.
poor man,
And God knows
and Lord knows
I'm one.
my mother, she's a tailor. She stitched my new blue jeans. My father, he's a gambling man down in New Orleans. There is
A house
in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun. It's been the ruin of many a poor man, and Lord knows I'm one. The only thing that a gambler needs is a suitcase and a trunk. The only time that he is satisfied is when he's on a drunk. So mama, please tell your children not to do what I've done. Stay away from the house in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun.
So both of these songs make you stop and think about the past, the present, and the future. Not much I can say, but just listen to these songs, you know. I like both of them, you know.
Tell them to wait. There is a place in New Orleans they call it the Rising Sun.
It's
So mama, tell your children, please stay away from the place they call the Rising Sun. There is a place in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun. It's been the room of many a poor man, and Lord knows I'm one.
yeah. So as we cut it there, that was Gregory Isaac version of House of the Rising Sun. Before I played the version by the Animals, House of the Rising Sun. So not much I can say about both of these songs except that they make you think about the past, the present, and the future. So this is Big Papa for Jamaican version signing out. Thank you guys. And remember, like, share, and click that notification bell, okay? Thank you.